Audiencelift is a powerful audience growth engine from Amaze Media Labs that delivers high-quality listeners to podcast creators and publishers. Here's how it works. First, we'll create an advertisement for your podcast using a brief audio trailer, your podcast artwork, and a short description of your podcast content. When we identify digital content, like this blog post, that matches the type of content listeners will find in your podcast's trailer ad is placed directly into that publisher's content feed. The person viewing that content can then press play and listen to your podcast trailer right on their device without needing to go to a different website or app. If they like the podcast trailer and want to listen to full episodes of the podcast, the person clicks on the subscribe and listen button below the audio player. This action triggers a push notification opt-in form, giving them the opportunity to subscribe for push notification reminders from their device whenever a new episode of the podcast is released. After someone decides to subscribe for push notifications, they are redirected to our web-based podcast player, populated with episodes from your podcast RSS feed. Episode downloads from our web player will show up as mobile browser downloads in your podcast hosting platform with names like Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. We can also optimize your campaign by encouraging your push notification subscribers to follow your show on major podcast platforms. Simply choose how you'd like to grow your audience when setting up your campaign, and we'll take it from there. With Audiencelift from Amaze Media Labs, growing your podcast has never been easier. Design your first campaign today and see how well it can work for you.